Hi, my name is Craig Kepner. I'm a new independent adjuster. Started over the last year, and it's been a great experience so far. Take it a step further, definitely one of the standouts has been the people and the amount of information available for somebody new like me that has been available from CNC. So it was fantastic when somebody else from the group of people that I work with recommended that I attend CNC Connect. It's been a fantastic experience. Really, the sponsors, the leadership here, the knowledge that I've been able to pick up, but then really especially really connecting with the other new adjusters and old adjusters that are out there. There's so much knowledge that you can take advantage of here. Of so many people that have been through experiences. It's been just a wonderful experience from start to finish.